In a surprising move, the Food and Drug Administration denied approval for a needle-free alternative to epinephrine injections like EpiPens. The medication is called Neffy. It's a nasal spray that can deliver a dose of adrenaline to treat someone experiencing a severe allergic reaction. Let's bring in NBC News health and medical reporter, Berkeley Lovelace. I always want to say doctor, it's because you know all the information. So let's start with the FDA's reasoning. What was the FDA's reasoning for rejecting this nasal spray?
Yeah, so this was really unexpected because the FDA's own advisory committee back in May decided that this drug should be approved. And so basically the FDA said that there really wasn't enough data to show that this drug was effective. The company did show that the drug did produce a response similar to EpiPen in people with mild allergies as well as animals. But there wasn't really any data to show that the drug worked really effectively in people with the severest allergies. And so the drug maker is now having to go back and conduct another study and then resubmit its application.
And what is the drug maker saying? Have we heard from the company?
Yeah, so the company ARS Pharmaceuticals released a statement late last night basically saying that they are very surprised by this move. If you can bring up the statement from the CEO, he says that we are deeply disappointed that this action further delays the availability of Neffy for the millions of people who are at risk of potentially life-severe allergic reactions. Patients and caregivers are waiting for Neffy, and we aim to complete the newly requested trial as quickly as possible to meet the needs of patients. The company also says that they're going to appeal this decision, and if they resubmit their application as they're planning to do, they say that the FDA could make a decision in the second half of 2024.
All right, and I'm sure a lot of people were bummed to hear this news, at least initially, right? A lot of people use EpiPens. If Neffy does get approved, how big of a deal will this new medication be for the millions at risk of severe allergic reactions?
Yeah, so this is expected to be a huge deal. So all the products that are available on the market right now are injections, so that can be a problem for people who are afraid of needles. And so the company told us that there are 3 million people currently in the U.S. who have a prescription for an auto-injector, but only 20 to 25% actually use them when needed. And so right now we have a life-saving product that's really being underused right now.
All right, Berkeley Lovelace with the latest there. Thank you so much.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.